For this assignment, you get to decorate your own rooms of a house. There are several different rooms in the house, and you get to choose what furniture goes in each room. So, for example, let's say this is a bedroom. I'm going to search for bed, and then type in the words PNG. Okay, type in the words PNG. Es más importante. It's very important. Then you'll get a bed. You can choose one that you like. And it will go into the room and not have a background to it. So you can choose a bed. Now maybe I want to choose a table, PNG. Let's find a small one. We don't want to use that one. Oh, look, that one's cute. And make it smaller. And go on the edge of the table. Maybe I want a lamp. Alright, and it's very important for you to type in the words PNG. That way the background, you don't have any background. It's just the image that you want. Okay? And if you know other vocabulary, you can include other vocabulary. Maybe you want a window PNG. Or maybe not window, maybe a rug PNG. And you get to decorate the rooms of your house. You do not need to do all of the rooms. I want you to choose 3 and do 3 rooms. So no necesito do todos las rooms, only 3 rooms. Necesita completar 3. If you have any questions, let me know.